So nice to meet you.
Yeah.
And from this one we have the coffee tree Arabica. Yeah. In Bali we have the type coffee Arabica and the Robusta. The Arabica they have the small tree, small leaf and the bigger in the coffee bean. But the Robusta they have bigger tree, bigger leaf and the small in the coffee bean. And this the vanilla tree. This one the vanilla tree normally they harvest they just one time for the 1 year. Yeah. They come the flower. After it come flower we use for the vanilla pot and vanilla essence. And this we have cacao for making coffee.
Single, what is the cost of single stem vanilla?
Yeah, but now they don't have ready because not season.
गोवा में मिलते गोवा में बोटानिकल गार्डन नहीं देखते
हाँ.
हैं थे
We
वो
take in the root, yeah. This we use for the coffee, like for Red Bull, honeymoon coffee.
चलो
उसके पीछे थोड़ा जाना है
और कहाँ जाना है?
अच्छा
वाकिल जी
तेरे को
उसने यही तो कहा
पापा ने कही
बेटा ये देखने चीज़ें होती हैं। वेनिला की एक स्टेम 3,500 रुपये की है।
3 लाख का दी
3 लाख रुपए की बताई थी। 3 लाख रुपए की। और
So here we have this special animal. In Bali, this we call it lua. This one the lua. They eat the coffee bean from the tree. Only eat the best coffee and then they swallow. The fermentation and poop cup out. We take it and we use for the lua coffee. This the lua coffee. They have more expensive than gold because the lua only know which one the best coffee. And then for the lua, they nocturnal, active for the night, sleep during the day. Now I show you the process for making coffee and
बोलता है वन एनिमल
ये इसके बीज खा जाता है, फिर इसकी पोटे में निकलते हैं, फिर वो बिकते हैं, फिर 12,500 रुपये किलो के हिसाब से बिकते हैं फिर।
okay,
और
and
coffee-
over here we have the poo from the animal. This is now clean and this is the after clean. We clean in by hot water until very clean. After clean we draw in the sun and we pick up like this. They have the 2 layers. This is not contact from the poo. And this the second. This the coffee bean. And after this we roasting. Yeah. And this the
Okay.
regular coffee from the tree. And this we have the spices. You know about the spices.
yeah we know about it
And this is the roasting, but
Coffee-
now this is the closing.
These ingredients are you can mix in coffee.
No.
No.
This one is spicy. And
spices
this we have the process for making coffee. Normally the roasting this 1 kilo coffee 45 minutes until 1 hour. But now this is closing because I'm good for the closing. Yeah? And this one are the coffee bean. This one.
धनिया काली मिर्च डाल
And then the second process we
सुन लो इधर सुनो, ये सुनने की है।
we pound it like this. And then this one after the pounding. This one.
वो जो बीन निकलते हैं इसको भूनते हैं 1 घंटा, फिर ये ऐसा आ जाता है, उसकी स्मेल फिर जाके फिर कॉफ़ी बनती है।
And then the last we sifting. Just
हाँ.
ready to use, yeah? And the rest we put back again and we crush.
Okay.
Okay, so finish. Follow me to the table. Everyone is at the Sorry, yeah, for the information is to
no we know we are late Which one is the smallest one?
Smaller for the French already on the bottom of the box. ये अलग अलग तरह की चाय और ये कॉफ़ी, अलग अलग तरह की कॉफ़ी, ऑरेंज चॉकलेट, बाली नेचुरल, आई थिंक, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस, वनीला कॉफ़ी, कैंडल्स, a huge variety of coffee, cold drinks, tea and coconut sugar.
You see the price tag?
What is this?
Which one? This for the aroma. And this massage.
हैं? क्या नहीं? जो घर में पड़ा हो तो तुम एक्सपायर
दोबारा करेंगे, बना लेना।
क्या हो गया?
कॉइन 500 रुपया दे देला। किधर बाली का कॉइन है ये? तू रख लेना, देखो कलेक्ट करने में सामान। ये ट्रैफिक पुलिस की फंक्शन है ना।